I don't want these factories to continue laughing and going, yeah, who cares? We got their money. It doesn't matter if they're in prison. It doesn't matter if they close down. It doesn't matter if customs takes their stuff because we lied to them and put Apple logos on shit that wasn't actually fucking OEM. No. Fuck that. It's time for that to change. Boycott Jack Telecom. Don't give them a fucking dime until they have paid every single cent of Henrik Husby's legal fees. And I don't want to hear any of that sorry horse crap about how I'm just one person, I'm just one company, I'm just one supplier, I'm just one franchise, I can't make change. I don't want to hear any of that sorry horse crap. When you think that it's not going to change unless there's a large group of people, well, guess what large groups of people are? Large groups of people are individuals that all decide that they are going to get together to create change. However, if none of the individuals think that they can create change because every one of the individuals is waiting for the group, then there is no group. The group starts with you. So if you want Chinese vendors to stop taking advantage of us, and if you don't want to be the next Henrik Husby, then you are going to ask for change right now. There are hundreds of thousands of vendors that are spamming your email inbox, willing to sell you screens at any given point in time. So why give money to a vendor that has caused Henrik Husby to go through 5 figures of legal fees and hassle when you could buy from somebody who actually cares?